Thousands of jobs are disappearing right now at top companies like Meta and Oracle. If you work in tech or retail, you need to understand why this wave of layoffs is hitting hard in 2026. In 2026 alone, nearly 96,000 people have lost tech jobs, averaging 872 layoffs every single day. Among the hardest hit is Oracle, which announced the largest single layoff this year, impacting 30,000 employees. This is a sharp contrast to 2025, when 245,953 tech jobs were cut over 783 layoffs. These numbers reveal a continuing, intense shakeup in the tech sector that's reshaping careers nationwide. It's not just tech companies like Meta and Amazon that are downsizing. Saks Global is cutting about 5% of its U.S. corporate workforce after integrating Neiman Marcus. Vimeo recently had its third round of layoffs, cutting over 120 employees, or about 25% of its city staff. These layoffs spread across tech, retail, and media sectors show how widespread the impact is, affecting diverse workforces and industries. The surge in layoffs is fueled by two key forces: rapid advances in artificial intelligence and challenging economic conditions. Companies are restructuring to stay competitive and reduce costs, often automating roles previously held by humans. The economic uncertainty also pressures firms to tighten budgets, leading to widespread job cuts. This dual challenge is reshaping the business landscape and the future of work. So far in 2026, 24 companies have announced layoffs, and the list keeps growing. With over 249 layoffs at tech firms alone, it's crucial for workers to stay informed and adaptable. Monitoring WARN notices and company announcements can help you anticipate changes in your industry. Upskilling or pivoting careers could be essential strategies to navigate this uncertain job market. If you're working in tech, retail, or corporate America, these layoffs could affect you or someone you know. Stay alert to industry shifts, update your skills, and prepare for a changing job market. Don't miss our updates. Subscribe now to get the latest on layoffs and what they mean for your career and future.